Fix them.
Beautiful cat. How you doing?
You're so cute.
My beautiful baby boy. Yes. Look at him.
I just wanted to give you guys a little video of this cute man. Oh, look at him, he's so cute. See ya guys in the next video.